Today, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano maglagay ng midroll ads. Tandaan, midroll ads ay available lamang sa mga 8 minutes and up duration na video. You can add 3 to 5 ad breaks in between. Maaaring maglagay ng more than 5 because walang lalabas na ads in some instance. First thing first, open Google Chrome. Go to youtube.com. Sign in with your main account. Enter your password. Now click your profile picture and go to YouTube Studio. Here, select one video to manage mid-rolls. Click all types of ads available. Then click during video. And manage mid-rolls. There are two options in managing mid-rolls. It's either you have to place it automatically or manually. Let's try automatically. Since it is not available, so we have to do this manually. You can actually put 3 to 5 ads in an 8-minute video. But in my case, I will be putting 9 ads. Dahil minsan, may mga ads na hindi lumalabas. Now continue and save.